And the political landscape is shifting following the signing of a pact between President William Ruto and opposition leader Raila Odinga on Friday. The agreement has elicited mixed reactions, with the tension now turning to how the government will adjust to accommodate ODM members. As the Bramwell Bureau reports, all eyes are on the National Assembly next week as MPs vote for new committee chairpersons and speculation mounts over an imminent cabinet reshuffle.
To the two party leaders.
In a landmark event witnessed at the Kenyatta International Convention Center, President William Ruto and former Prime Minister Raila Odinga signed a memorandum of understanding, signaling a new phase of political collaboration. While both leaders emphasized that this is not a formal coalition, the pact aims to foster bipartisan efforts in addressing national issues.
Mr. Speaker,
one of the immediate effects will be seen in Parliament, where the upcoming election for committee chairpersons are expected to reflect the new political arrangement. Traditionally, these positions have been awarded along party lines, with the ruling coalition taking the lion's share. However, the Ruto-Raila pact is likely to pave the way for a more inclusive approach. Reports indicate that ODM MPs will take up key committee leadership positions. Alego Usonga MP Sam Watande is expected to chair the Budget and Appropriation Committee, while Semi MP James Nyikal is likely to lead the Health Committee. This move points to a deliberate effort to distribute leadership roles more equitably between ODM and UDA, fostering a collaborative legislative environment.
And we've said we tried doing it out there, but then we realized that formation was not working. Now we are inside this structure. We are inside the room. We want to bring those structural changes from within.
We are going to do town hall meetings to ensure that we educate the youth in this country and tell them the importance of the broad-based government.
We support ile handshake ya Raila na rais wetu Ruto kwa sababu itafanikisha maendeleo na pia kuleta uwiano katika nchi yetu.
Beyond Parliament, the Ruto-Raila agreement is also expected to trigger major changes in the cabinet. Currently, ODM heavyweights, including former Deputy Party Leader Wycliffe Oparanya, Chairman John Mbadi, the National Assembly Minority Leader Opiyo Wandayi, and former Mombasa Governor Ali Hassan Joho hold senior government positions.
Tungependa tuongezwe wengine, tupate ma-CSS wengine na ministers wengine pia, kama jamii ya Wajaluo ama jamii wa Nyanza ama jamii wa Kenya.
Raila ako na wafuasi wengi sana ambao wamekuwa kingojea kazi za serikali. Kwa hivyo angekuwa na otherwise atatoke saa hii. Wengine wako cabinet, kuna wengine pia wanataka kuingia cabinet, some powerful positions. Nasikia wanatemea mate interior, nasikia walikuwa wanatemea mate deputy. So kuna wengine wanajipanga kuingia PSs, commissioners, ambassadors, chairman ya parastato. So kuna watu wengi ambao walimwambia hapana baba, hata kama hiyo iliisha, wewe tuingie ile mambo tulikuwa tumekubaliana, tukule ingine iko hapa karibu.
With the new political dynamics at play, President Ruto is expected to reshuffle his cabinet, potentially allocated additional slots to ODM. Sources indicate that key dockets such as health, water, agriculture, and education could be reallocated to ODM nominees as part of the broader strategy to integrate the opposition perspectives into governance. The coming weeks will reveal just how deep this political realignment will go and what it means for the future of the country's governance.